Hello children, hope you all are fine and safe. Now students, I am going to teach you lesson 3, that is Sona is thirsty. Here we are going to read a story about a baby elephant, Sona. So children, get ready with your reader and read with me. Sona is a baby elephant. She lives in the forest with her mother and brother. One day, Sona is very thirsty. She walks to the river to drink water. She dips her little trunk in the water. Then she tries to suck the water in with her trunk. I can't drink water. I have a cold. I am so sad. How can I drink water now? Raju, her brother, comes to the river. What's the matter, Sona? I have a bad cold. I can't drink water. I am so thirsty. Don't worry, I will help you. Now open your mouth, Sona. Sona opens her mouth. Raju sucks in water with his trunk. He sprays water into Sona's mouth. Thank you, Raju. I am not thirsty anymore. So children, what we have learned from this story? We should help each other. Now come on to the word meaning. Trunk, the long nose of an elephant. Suck, to pull in liquids such as water. Sprays, spread some liquids in small drops. Children, you have to write this word meaning in your classwork copy. Now, come to the question and answers. First, where does Sona live? Answer, Sona lives in the forest. Second, why does Sona cry? Answer, Sona cries because she cannot drink water. Third, who is Raju? Answer, Raju is Sona's brother. Fourth, how does Raju help Sona? Answer, Raju sprays water into Sona's mouth. Fifth, is Sona happy after she drinks water? Yes, Sona is happy. These question answers you have to write in your classwork copy in a good handwriting. Choose the correct answer. First, Sona walks to the river because she is thirsty. Put the tick mark on C. Second, Sona cannot drink water because she has a cold. So children, put the tick mark on A. Third, Raju asks Sona to open her mouth so that he can pour water into her mouth. C. Put the tick mark on C. Think and answer. What kind of brother do you think Raju is? Choose 2 words from the box. Kind and helpful. Now we are going to study proper nouns. Special names are proper noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place, or a thing. For example, John the clown entertains people in a circus. In this sentence, we are talking about John the clown. John is the special name for the clown. They live in Mumbai. In this sentence, we are talking about Mumbai, the city. Mumbai is the special name for the city. His dog's name is Pluto. In this sentence, we are talking about Pluto, the dog. Pluto is the special name for the dog. So children, Pluto is the proper noun here. John the clown entertains people in the circus. They live in Mumbai. His dog's name is Pluto. In these sentences, John, Mumbai, Pluto are proper nouns. All the words in a proper noun begin with a capital letter. Now come to the exercise. Underline the proper nouns. First, Rajni is a doctor. What is proper noun here? Rajni. Underline Rajni. Second, my birthday is on 1st of May. Underline May. Third, my aunt and uncle live in Kerala. Underline Kerala. Fourth, I don't go to school on Saturday and Sunday. Underline Saturday, Sunday. Fifth, my favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry. Underline Tom, Jerry. Sixth, Divya is my sister. Underline Divya. Rearrange the letters to find the correct words. First, APN, pan, PAN. Second, GEG, egg, EGG. Third, GEL, LEG, leg. Fourth, TCA, CAT, cat. Fifth, PTA, TAP, tap. Writing. Place the words from the table in the correct order. Write the complete sentences below. First, Sona lives in the forest. Second, she dips her trunk in the river. Third, she walks to the river. Coming to the homework. First, write page number 21 to 24 in your classwork copy. Second, write 2 pages of your cursive writing book. Thank you and have a nice day.